Each year, thousands of people spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on flowers for their special events and occasions like weddings, award ceremonies, funerals, proposals, and so much more. However, after a couple days of the event ending, the flowers will wilt and die and pretty much become useless. And if someone wants to keep a flower to remember that special event or day, it will dry up, it will become very brittle, and it's hard to keep safe, and it's just not as beautiful as the day it was in full bloom. So what Forever Florals does is use silica gels to preserve these flowers from people's special events. And the silica gels will preserve the flowers in a way that keeps their structure and also the color integrity of the flower. Once the flowers are dried, they can be put into a mold in a beautiful arrangement and then have epoxy poured on them to create a beautiful piece of art that can be displayed in their home. These can be large art pieces or even as small as a flower put into a necklace for someone to wear and keep forever. So many people are getting married, so many people have big events, there's many funerals every single year, and so the amount of people who could be affected by this and use this product are many, and it adds value to them by being able to preserve a sentimental piece from their special events and to preserve such a beautiful thing for artwork and to remember loved ones and so on.